Okay, so you're gonna want to put a zip tie just loosely around this cord. What we're gonna do is we're gonna reassemble this now, uh, and that just helps keep these loops together. So they come through the cord, or through the cords come through the brass ring like this. They loop around. We're gonna stick this up inside. This is a little tricky. And then you got to get the bolt through those looped cords and then through the hole on the other side. And then just pull each one of them, make sure that they're all over the bolt. And then you'll cut this zip tie off and discard it and put the nut back on the other side of the bolt. And then pause.